Hi guys, this is Holly here, and I'm your personal resume writing coach. In this short tutorial, we're going to discuss some quick tips on how to begin writing your civilian resume with a military background. Chances are you have acquired a great deal of skills and training from your military experience. But where do we go to find these skills? An excellent place to start is by looking at your officer performance report or officer evaluation report. Depending on the branch of military you served in, it may have a slightly different name. Pay close attention to the content in your duty description or performance evaluation section. There you will find detailed notes on duties and accomplishments during your time of service. For example, let's look at the last line. Responsible for maintenance and accountability of equipment valued in excess of $8 million. This is a perfect line to incorporate into your resume. Another great resource is your verification of military experience and training, often referred to as your VMatch. This document provides an overview of your military experience and training. You can access the document by visiting the MilConnect webpage and following the retrieval instructions. All branches of the military love acronyms. One sure way to confuse your civilian hiring managers is by using these acronyms and not spelling them out. Although CO may be second nature to you, be sure to write the entire title, Commanding Officer. Once you have your acronyms decoded, it's time for one last step. Start by asking yourself, would your dear Aunt Mildred know what a military personnel office is? If you're not sure, a quick Google search may give you words more commonly known by civilians. So instead of subordinates, try employees. If you like to refer to a mission you had, try using the word task or objective. If you need some assistance in decoding your military experience, you can visit this handy tool called the Military Crosswalk by visiting onetonline.org. So let's recap some important considerations. Start by using your military-issued performance reports to identify skills and accomplishments. Decode acronyms. Be sure to translate military jargon into familiar civilian terms. Following the steps will lay you the foundation for your job-winning resume. Keep in mind, we want you to have a solid balance of civilian terms while highlighting and honoring your service in the military. For assistance with this, be sure to make an appointment with me to review your resume. I hope you enjoyed this short tutorial. And remember, a great interview gets you the job, but a great resume gets you the interview. See you next time.